Nature of the Beast is a piece about nature and the nature of the corporate world. Went up road tripping up Kosciuszko National Park, and yeah, driving around that area, there's a lot of roadkill, kangaroo roadkill, and plenty of kangaroos. Also, at the time, there's all that drama happening with Qantas, and yeah, so it's pretty much about yeah, a lot of, I don't know, natural deaths as well as man-made deaths of systems. Yeah, especially the corporate world, I suppose. It's a boom and bust kind of system.